It's our last one, guys.
I know, this is it.
If I don't blow this place up by the end, I haven't done my job.
I want this to be perfect.
This is amazing. Let's go make a spaceship.
Let's do it.
We're gonna beat you with this.
May the force be with you.
We're in the Millennium Falcon, baby! Today's theme is Star Wars.
Welcome to Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
This is amazing.
My name is Kirsten, and I was one of the Imagineers who brought Star Wars Galaxy's Edge to life at Disneyland Resort in California and Walt Disney World Resort in Florida. What better way to celebrate than to come here and design two spectacular Star Wars-themed cakes right here at Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
The Millennium Falcon is something you see through most of the Star Wars movies. We're gonna have the Millennium Falcon docked on Tatooine, and we're going to have the Falcon fly.
We need to have some characters.
What are you thinking?
We'll do BB-8, and
I
let's
like
do Babu Frick, the little droid smith.
I like him. It's gonna be awesome.
This is an X-Wing. You guys know the action of an X-Wing?
Yeah.
I've made Baby Yoda, and
Okay.
I loved it, so I am down to make Yoda.
I want him to, use the Force to raise the X-Wing out of the Dagobah swamp. May the Force be with you.
Look, I am your father.
It sounds exactly like him. Babu Frick. He's a weird little frog with a beard.
What's like Babu Frick's deal?
He's like a droid fixer, but he does like illegal hacking and stuff into them. He's a little
So
criminal.
he's bad.
He's kind of bad, but he's only like 8 inches tall, so
He's cute bad.
yeah. So close to being finished. Sculpting Babu Frick. No more Babu Frick for Ralph. Finish the hat, finish the Frick. Frick, 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 Frick.
I'm gonna go for a realistic Yoda. So I'm gonna try to make it look just like the actual Yoda in the movie. Also, what's nice about this is he's old, so I get to add all kinds of wrinkles. The hair is working. This little tool is the trick. This little tool has a hook at the end, so you just put the hair in there, in this case corn silk, and you close it up and push it in and pull it out, and then it stays. Chocolate Yoda I am.
The Force is really working here. Pew, pew, pew.
To make the Millennium Falcon, you gotta start with structure. Then we go to town on the details, and the devil is in the details, and we just start bombing the thing with little gizmos, gadgets, wires, so that it looks like the real Millennium Falcon. It's starting to come together.
One of the allure of the Rebel Alliance ships is that they're like a little janky. The way that they're put together is you can see there's just different parts kind of from different ships sort of all over it. It's not all one color, it's not all one style. I'm super excited about this cake. It's so cool.
Ready to load up?
Yeah.
Time to deliver this cake to Galaxy's Edge. It's gonna be awesome. For all the bananas. This is the final cake. All right, close the trunk, let's get out of here.
Good night.
Ralph, get out of the truck.
Let's go.
All right, fine.
I think we're done. Last cake. I think we're done. I'm using the Force. The Force.
Everybody, please welcome Lando Calrissian himself, the one, the only, Billy D. Williams.
We in the Star Wars family are thrilled to have you unveil your cakes here tonight. Buddy, you're first.
This is our Star Wars cake.
Check it out.